If you care about the environment but feel kind of stuck, here are some tips for you. I know that living at home or at college means that you have limits on some of the stuff you can do. You don't really have control of your household. You don't have a lot of money and so on. I experienced a lot of this, so I want to give you some real tips that I actually use every day or almost every day. I just want to say real quick, I am not nearly zero waste. And I want to get closer to it, so I do some little things every day just to try to work my way towards it. The first tip, use a reusable water bottle. This one is so easy. I recommend the metal one because plastic ones kind of give it a funny taste, and they don't really keep your water cold for as long. And also with metal water bottles, you can put hot drinks in there as well. Obviously, if you have something at home, just use that. But if not, then you can totally go to like Walmart or Target and get one for $5 or $10. They're really not expensive. You don't have to get like a super expensive hydro flask. The water bottle I use was from Target, I think, and it was probably under $10. Also, I recommend getting a smaller water bottle if you are concerned about carrying something heavy or forgetting it because it's kind of inconvenient. So yeah, get a small one so you can put it in your bag. Next up, this might be my favorite, reusable straws. I mean, you've seen these everywhere, but they look so cute. And obviously you won't be using as much plastic. The hard part is remembering to tell your waiter that you don't need a straw, but usually they're going to be more than happy. And actually I've had plenty of wholesome conversations with different waiters about straws and the environment and stuff. So you can get these on Amazon. I've seen them in stores too, metal ones or glass ones, and they usually come with a little pipe cleaner so you can clean them, and the ones I got on Amazon were like $5 for a pack of 6, I think. They also have a bunch of different colors. Mine is rose gold because I really like it, but you really have a lot of options. I always carry around an extra one just in case I'm out with someone so I can give them a straw to use so that they're also not using a plastic straw. And the other hard part is to not throw it out. If you're into boba or smoothies, they make straws for them too, like thicker ones. I love boba, I drink it a lot, so I have a special boba straw that kind of has like a pointed end. It's not super sharp, but it's like pointed so you can like pierce it through the boba. The next thing you should carry is a tote bag. I always keep 1 or 2 in my bag, folded up. It fits really nicely. This one over here is from Cotton On, and this other one I decorated myself at an event on campus. So it's actually free. Anyway, whenever I go shopping, I whip out one of these bad boys, whether that's grocery shopping or like going to the mall, clothing shopping, anything like that. And yeah, if you have one already, just use that. If you don't, Amazon, basically so many stores, just look around. I really like the Cotton On ones. I know they have other designs as well. The next thing is please use a reusable face mask. I mean, I feel like it's obvious, but I have to say it. If you don't have reusable masks by now, what are you doing? It's been months. But I won't shame you any longer. Go ahead and watch my 2 videos about the face masks that I bought and use right now. They're really, really nice and super affordable. If you need any more convincing, they also look a lot cuter than the disposable masks. I mean, if you have like a medical necessity, medical reason that you're wearing a disposable mask, that's fine. But really, if you don't, then like, these look so much cuter. You can match them to your outfits. You know, they come in a bunch of different shapes, colors, fits, and price points. Or you can make your own. I actually made my own face masks to match my Rapunzel costume. You can watch that video also. Super proud of it. It was super easy to make the mask, and I really didn't know how to sew before I did any of this. Next up, bamboo toothbrushes. Next time you need to buy a new toothbrush, consider getting a bamboo one. You can get a pack from Amazon for like $5, so it's really not bad in terms of price. That being said, if you already have toothbrushes at home, use those up first because it'd be really wasteful to just throw them out if they haven't had any use. And that goes for anything else on this list that I mentioned. You know, if you have the item, you might as well use it up to its full potential. My boyfriend actually got me this toothbrushing kit for Christmas, and it comes with a little glass jar with little toothpaste bits and mouthwash bits. So if this is something, I think these things are probably more expensive than regular toothpaste. So if If this is in your budget, then this is a really, really cool thing that you can do. I think Lush also sells similar products that are package-less. And just as a final general overall tip, if you are buying anything new, then make sure that you are buying something that is recyclable, wooden, or you are actually going to use it for a long period of time. I personally think that wood or cloth things look a lot better than plastic things anyway, so that's what I'll go for. So if you can afford that, if that is something that you are capable of doing, then I highly recommend doing that. Just in general, be mindful of what you are bringing into your space, because not only are you going to be helping the environment, but also you're going to be keeping your space a little bit more clutter-free. So yeah, if possible, consider buying from brands that sell packageless things or recyclable packages, things like that. Paper packages are better than plastic. Whatever you can to do, just a little bit, it really adds up. Also, encourage others to do this kind of stuff. Like, I have given water bottles as gifts, like cute ones, nice water bottles that really, really work and keep the water cold, and it's a great gift. I mean, it's nice and it's also practical and it also helps the environment. So little things like that will really, really help. I know that as college students, as teenagers, it can be really hard to really fully have control of everything that is brought into your house. I mean, you're not in control of what sort of groceries you buy. You might not your parents might not want to shop in bulk. Your college dining hall might be giving out things in plastic containers a lot, like to go, especially right now with COVID. I know that's a huge, huge thing. So wasteful. Anyway, that's just my little, getting a little sidetracked, but basically my point is sometimes we don't have control over those things, and that's okay. Just what you have control over, just try to do that. And as you start getting more freedom in your life, you are going to be able to kind of slowly work your way to being a more environmentally friendly person. That's really the end of the video, so yeah. That's all I have to say, and I really, really, really am going to try to put out videos weekly, but oh my gosh, college is so hard. Alright, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye!